There are a lot of great ideas out there for starting a small business. But which one is right for you? It all depends on your interests, skills, and goals. If you're passionate about a particular subject, then starting a business related to that interest could be a great fit. In this video, we are sharing 22 best small business ideas that you can start with your expertise. Number 1, PR agency business. Number 2, international food truck. Number 3, senior care provider. There are many different types of senior care providers. Some provide in-home care, while others may offer assisted living or nursing home care. Senior care providers can help with a variety of tasks, including cooking, cleaning, bathing, and dressing. Number 4, travel-sized food and necessities. Number 5, become a virtual teacher. Number 6, start a niche cleaning service business. Number 7, provide freelance bookkeeping services. By keeping track of the financial transactions of a business, they can provide an important service that helps to keep the business running smoothly. Number 8, life coaching business. A life coach is a professional who helps people achieve their personal and professional goals. A life coaching business can be started by anyone with the desire to help others. Number 9, starting your clothing brand. Number 10, custom board or card game making business. Number 11, sell handcrafted and homemade goods. Number 12, app development business. App development is the process of creating software applications for handheld devices. This can be done using a variety of programming languages and tools. Number 13, video production business. Number 14, Handyman Services. Number 15, professional organizing business. Number 16, SEO consults. An SEO consult is someone who specializes in improving a website's search engine optimization. They work with their clients to help them improve their ranking in search engines like Google and Bing. Number 17, business consulting. Number 18, hardware store. Number 19, landscape services. Landscape services can be used to improve the appearance of your home. Landscape services can include lawn care, tree trimming, and flower bed maintenance. Landscape services can also include installing new sod, trees, and shrubs. Number 20, massage therapist business. Number 21, marketing services. And number 22, catering business for small events. At last, if you have a particular skill set, then you may want to start a business that utilizes those skills. And if you have specific goals in mind for your business, then you'll want to choose an idea that will help you achieve those goals. The best way to figure out which small business idea is right for you is to do some research and explore all your options. If you are a business beginner or want to implement your business idea, then you must write a business plan for your startup. Watch this full video to learn how to write a business plan for your business idea.